Well, now we've got a huge amount of ground to cover this morning. Romans chapter 11. And 9, 10 and 11 form a sandwich. 9 and 11 have a lot in common and 10 is quite different. That's the filling in the sandwich. But with chapter 11 we go back to the themes of chapter 9. We go back to the sovereignty of God. We go back to the mercy of God. We go back to the patriarchs. We go back to a number of the themes that were picked up in 9 and they're picked up again in 11. And even the outline or structure of the chapter is the same. And if you're looking at my outline that I gave you, you would see that the first half of each of the chapters 9 and 11 is about the Israel of God. And then the second half of each chapter is about the God of Israel. And the focus of attention is first on his people and then on him.